house. It's Christmas Eve, so we get to touch him. And so, Bashful, Sam, my sister's not here, so Sam, I'm sorry, and there's Daddy. My name is Isley. Her name is Bashful. Her name is Sam. Her name is Bashful. My name is Isley. And his name is pretty obvious. Zach!
Okay,
So we're gonna make slime. And we need white glue. And we're gonna make butter slime.
so let's just eyeball it maybe.
See, we're gonna have a book because we don't know how to make it.
Alright, here I
And
go.
it's butter slime. So we put like half. And we like dip
Hurry
the
up, move the
glue
bowl.
over
Move
here.
the bowl.
And then
We're only doing one batch because this glue's almost gone.
yeah, this glue's almost gone. But we need one or two
What?
of glue.
We need one of these and then another half.
Another half of these.
Another half of this cup. So we'll fill it up about halfway.
Yeah.
Because you want to get the right mix.
You can't see me because I'm dancing.
Unless
You
we
can't
be
see me because I'm
gone.
elves. But I'm dancing. And Daddy's adding a little bit more glue. And here I can glue. See, got some glue. I love my elves.
Alright. Glue, check.
Glue check.
Glue, check. Like you got it.
Yeah, we got it. Glue check. Add 1 to 4
1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
And
1/4 teaspoon of lotion.
We need lotion.
That's not very much baking soda or lotion. 1/4 of a teaspoon. Mix into it. No. Because you gotta do it in here. Don't get more than a spoonful.
This?
A little bit more because it's not full. You gotta get that. You rub it against the roof. Yes! He's on my fantasy team!
He's watching.
Stop.
He's watching a football game.
Okay, now we need. Hold on.
This is a lot. Just mixing them. So gross.
Hold on. Just hold on.
So gross.
We spoke to Joe Flacco yesterday. He said, this is why you still want to play. The feeling of success, the feeling of winning is hard to describe.
Do I double
He
it?
said, look, when I saw that,
This is not coming off.
Yeah. Ah. Crap. There might be some more. Here, hold this. Just hold this. I'm just gonna put it straight in. Move. We don't need that. We know about how much we need. Teaspoon. No. One of the tall ones in here at the bottom. That one. No, the skinny, long one. Right here.
So we got this spoon. You need like this spoon.
Mix it, Isaac. Sometime today. Does it all dissolve? If so, we
Yeah.
gotta start putting in contact solution. 2 tablespoons, one at a time. Stir as you go.
Just stir.
Hold on. Alright, stir that in.
Let's see.
More of this. Stop. Hold the spoon up. Stop. Don't touch it.
Daddy, got it in my
And mix it.
toe.
So what?
Daddy added a little bit of lotion.
Why?
Cause
What do you mean? We already put lotion in.
because you added a little bit more
Or what?
lotion.
So, now look, you gotta start kneading it with your hands now.
Now,
Yeah, you gotta start. Because look, it's starting to get sticky on the outside.
spoon can't really handle it anymore, right? So I need to.
Is that a kick return?
So I need to stir with my hands.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of.
Ew, this is gross. Can you hold it?
No. You can hold it with one and kind of knead it together. Don't just.
Like this?
Too sticky.
Kinda.
And you need more baking soda and contact solution.
I'm already stirring it. It's so gross.
Move your hands. Move your hands.
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure that's all mixed in.
Coach Jay from State Farm. Well, Patrick, it's official. We saved his home and auto insurance. You're the least most valuable bundle.
MVD? Me?
I'm surprised.
Man, I just did not see this coming. This is truly unexpected.
Still kind of sticky.
Well, yeah, because you don't have it mixed up.
I'm gonna try to make this.
You gotta like fold it into each other. Oh boy.
This is hard to get off your hands.
Yeah, it
People.
is.
His third-year special team coach, love event Trone with Cleveland, coming up under him.
Hold on. Leave your hands over the bowl.
Don't put it in.
Don't put what in?
Put your hands in.
Why?
Cause then you get more slime on it.
You start to see things in a similar fashion. Now, can you put your own twists and turns on things? And this was one of those games where both special teams.
This one's just dripping on your hands. Ew.
In terms of intensity from coaches, I think special teams coaches have the most
Still
intense,
sticky.
most consistent
Still
league in the
sticky,
NFL.
guys. See,
I think we need more contact solution.
get in there. Should I just wash my hands?
No, hold on. Because mine's starting to.
Unstick.
Yeah.
Mine isn't.
Don't stop touching it, guys. Hold on. So you gotta use a gloop of it to grab it, grab it, grab it, grab it. It's actually starting to come together a little better.
We talked about this throughout the season. Christian Harris is trailing, so his back is to Joe Flacco. So what Flacco wants to do is throw it over the helmet of Christian Harris and try to let Joku make a play on it. But the ball wasn't high enough, and Harris is able to make a play without actually seeing the football. See, he's trailing, so he's trying
It's super hard to do this, so probably ask your parent for help. Ask your parent for help, guys.
Uh-oh.
Like that, ask your parent for help.
Yeah.
Because this is difficult.
Okay. I might try to put some more.
I just got like a little bit.
Picks up 9 and a penalty marker back at the 26. Houston Carson with the tackle.
Let me try to. Should I show it?
And it's the center, Carson.
And Houston fortunate because this play should have been dropped way back there, but the missed tackle.
I'm trying to get our slime off our hand right now because
Voila. Slime container. Alright, where are our spoon?
oopsies. Now this is just making it even stickier.
Fuck. Watch out, Tights. Alright. Do you have it off your hands?
No.
Why? You
Guys,
did.
I know on this hand.
Oh, baby.
Is it sticky? You have to try to make it not sticky. Should I
I'm
add more
working
of
on it.
those?
No, not yet. I just added some. I gotta get it mixed in before.
And more?
Like, some of it is still.
Mixed
Hold
in.
on. It's a lot better than it was.
Should I add more? Just like a little bit more?
Yeah, just a second. Okay. No, don't untwist it. Just push up right there. It's a flip top, babe. Just flip it open.
Oh my gosh.
Really?
I can't open this. Okay. Yeah, square.
Right in there. Okay, that's enough. We only need a little. Is it all in there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, how much did you put in there?
Now it's not really sticky. If you put a lot in there, it's not really sticky. So let's add a different color. It's bashful.
Are you doing any color in here? No.
Yeah. What color? Guys, what color
We
should
only
we
have
do?
like 3 colors.
What color should we do in the comments? We barely even have any colors. So we're gonna show you the colors and then you put it in the comments and we might use your thing. The one that you put in the comments, but not might not. Calm down. Daddy was washing his hands. I don't need to wash. Should I play with it, Dad?
Hold on, I'm gonna get color.
So we're gonna add color and we're gonna show you the colors that we have. We don't have that much. So we wait. Is this yellow? So should we do yellow, blue, or red? Leave it in the comments. What color should we do, Dad?
Or we could do. You can make orange.
You can make orange,
You can make purple.
purple.
Every dove is
Well, we have made a purple one, so let's not make the purple one.
Put it in a purple container.
So what color should we do, Dad? What
It's
color?
not mine. So I don't care.
Let's do red.
Just do a little bit and try not to touch it because we gotta fold the slime on top of it. Like 3 or 4 drops.
I added a lot.
And try not to touch the color with your hands because it will stain your hands.
You know.
So I'm trying to mix it in
I'm gonna
here
put this
first.
away. I'm putting the colors away, guys, because we're not using them anymore. So sad. So trash.
Kind of looks like a candy cane.
I know. Can I see? Oh, look. It looks like
CBS streams live on Paramount Plus all season long through Super Bowl
Yeah.
50.
Kind of fold that up and mix it up.
Week 17, doubleheader trying for free. Today,
it's not sitting in my hands.
Because that was already mixed in.
14 to 7, Houston has
Did it stay in your hands? It's like pink, guys. So if you wanted pink, good job. Got it, the color that you wanted. But the other guys, I'm so sorry. I didn't know it was gonna make pink. I thought it was gonna be red because it added a lot. But nope, it's like a bubble gum. See guys? Bubble gum pink. I want it to be red for like Christmas colors, but it's not really. It's stuck on my finger, guys. Stuck. Finger. Under my hair. Look at
Ooh, that's a pretty color.
it's like a pink.
Perfect pink. It's like bubblegum.
I know, I told them.
She said that to you?
Yeah. Thought it was bubblegum.
Like father, like daughter.
Father like daughter. Wait, I didn't get any on my hands.
I know,
You only
it's a-
get like a little bit on
It's
your
a
hands.
pretty good consistency. Maybe you put it in there. That can be your storage container.
This is our storage container. But,
Show mom.
Mom, look. It's barely even sticky. Barely even sticky. Do you like this slime? Would you like it that it's not really sticky? You don't like
I like it that it's not very sticky.
Oh, you broke it! Mom broke it! You don't really get that much of it.
Keep it in the bowl.
She's got her own little container.
Yeah, if
Where did that container come from?
it was from my Lunchable
Yeah,
thing.
it's a
Like,
lunchbox.
remember the like unicorn one?
No, okay.
It's like a bubble gum.
Hey.
Mom, does it look like a bubble gum thing?
Yes. Kind of looks like a unicorn.
She thinks that it's a unicorn thing. Ah. I wanna put
You
it
can
in.
play with it in the bowl or in the
So we
That is probably an acceptable slime
okay, Dad.
to keep in the bowl.
Look.
So bye guys.
Thanks for joining us.
And subscribe and leave a like on this video and yeah.